Best plants for thriving gardens in Zone 5. Bejeweled Rose Rhinestones. Bearded Penstemon. Bejeweled Rose Rhinestones. Bearded Penstemon captivates with deep rose-pink, tubular flowers that arrive in late spring and carry on into summer. Bloomerang Showmound Lilac. With a neat mound habit, Bloomerang Showmound Lilac, Syringa x pubescens, lights up gardens with frothy white flower clusters from late spring into early fall. Cotton Candy Meadow Rue. Cotton Candy Meadow Rue, Thalictrum Cotton Candy, adds a light touch to garden borders with its columnar stems and wispy lavender-pink blooms. Easy as Pie Bush Cherry. Easy as Pie Bush Cherry delights home gardeners with its compact form and abundant tart cherries. Its white and pink flowers usher in warmer days, then give way to bright red fruit perfect for pies, preserves, and snacking. Garden Girl's Dream Girl Phlox. Garden Girl's Dream Girl Phlox showcases large clusters of lavender-pink blooms highlighted by a crisp white eye in midsummer. This upright perennial, scientifically known as Phlox paniculata Dream Girl, rises to about 30 to 36 inches tall, creating a strong focal point in flower beds. Little Henry Black-Eyed Susan. Little Henry Black-Eyed Susan, Rudbeckia subtomentosa, Little Henry, brings a dash of charm with its pinwheel-like yellow petals circling deep red-brown centers. Marteau Red Picote Rockfoil. Marteau Red Picote Rockfoil, Saxifraga x arensi, decorates the garden with pink and white petals accented by bright yellow centers. Silver Scent Sage. Silver Scent Sage, Salvia officinalis balsalslint, showcases large silver-green leaves that offer a captivating contrast to traditional garden greenery. Sweet Reward Pink Azalea. Sweet Reward Pink Azalea greets spring with generous clusters of bright pink flowers and a warm, spicy fragrance. Webmaster Spiderwort. Webmaster Spiderwort, trade Scantia Webmaster, adds a soft purple glow to borders and containers, displaying lilac-tinted flowers from early summer into midsummer. Explore best plants for thriving gardens in Zone 5. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.